So children, in today's class we are going to know about the chapter number 20, eating together. Well, we all love eating together, do we? Yes, we all do. So in this chapter we are going to learn about good food habits and table manners when eating together with our family, which creates bond of oneness with the mutual interaction with our family. And children, we are also get to know about the midday meal scheme for the children. So children, our family is very important for all of us. We learn many good things from our family. We share many things with our family. Conversation during meal time provides opportunity for the family to share their experiences. Our family gives us lot of support, care, etc. So children, let's learn about advantages of eating together. We learn good habits while eating together. We love each other. We give respect each other, and we share our joys and sorrows with each other. Now children, let's discuss on the occasions when we eat together in large gatherings, such as marriage ceremony, birthday parties, community eating, boarding mess, etc. So children, eating together creates a bond of oneness among people. So we should spend quality time with our family members. So children, let's learn about this chapter through this PPT.
Children, in this chapter, we are going to learn the importance of our family. We will understand the midday meal scheme for children on all working days, and we will revise good food habits and table manners when eating together either with our family or on any special occasion. Our family is very important for us. Eating together brings us closer to each other. We also learn to love and respect each other in our family. Mealtime becomes fun time when we eat together. Now, children, we will discuss occasions when we eat together in large gatherings. Festival time is a time for people to celebrate and eat together. We have large gatherings on special occasions such as birthday party, picnic, and festivals including Eid, Christmas, etc. Now, children, let's discuss eating together in a community. When a large number of people eat together, it is called community eating. Here, the food is generally cooked in large quantities in big kitchens and in huge vessels. Like in Gurdwaras, langar is prepared in large quantities in a common kitchen and served free of cost to the people visiting the place. Now, children, let's discuss when you all are eat together during the lunch time. Children love to share their meals with their friends during the lunch break. There is so much variety in food they share. Sharing our meals brings us closer to our friends. Now we will discuss about some sweet dishes. Like people prepare and share special dishes during festivals like kheer, puran poli. Puran poli is a popular sweet in Maharashtra. Next is sweet rice. Now children, we are going to discuss about the Bihu festival that is celebrated in the Assam. It is a harvest festival. It is celebrated thrice in a year in month of Baisakhi, Kartik and Magh. On this festival, the whole village prepares a sweet dish called Pitha. So let's discuss about this festival in detail. Like in this festival, the first day called Uruka. In this day, people built a temporary shed called Belaghar that you can see in this picture. Now, in the next day, what people do? People get up early in the morning to light the mezi and Belaghar also. Bora rice is a common variety of rice used in Assam. These are sticky rice. The cheva rice will be cooked. And in the evening, pitha, sweet dish, and tea will be served to everybody. Now you can see the women were dressed in pat and moga mekla chador. The drums started to play and everyone started to sing and dance. Everyone danced till they were tired. Now children, we are going to discuss about the midday meal. The midday meal scheme is the popular name given to the school meal program in India. Lunch is provided free of cost to the school children on all working days. Some years ago, the Supreme Court passed an important order which stated that all government-run primary school must provide their students hot, cooked food. It is the right of every child. So children, this is all about this chapter, eating together. Now what you have to do, you have to mark difficult words and find out the meanings of difficult words of this chapter. Thank you.